A simple holiday mantle today in 4 easy steps. This is part of the Home Depot Style Challenge. I use the 12-foot pre-lit natural fir garland as my base and just hook it on the top of the mantle there. The second step is to add wood lanterns. This is a DIY project and the plans are on the Home Depot blog in the link below. For a little bit of color, insert a few of the winterberry sprigs just right at the base of the lanterns. And step is to attach silver ornaments using wire to keep them in position and so nobody knocks them off while they're walking by. Plug in the garland and you have a very beautiful, simple mantle in 4 easy steps. For more details on this project, including links to sources, follow the link below to the Home Depot blog.